Hello and welcome to my video explanation for my topology. To begin, we will look at the headquarters building. As you can see, I have 3 edge switches connected to the layer 3 switch. All of the VLANs are present in all of the switches and have been assigned to the appropriate ports on the layer 2 switches. This has also been done for the edge switches in the engineering building on the right hand side. As you can see, I'll just show you. There you go. There's all of the VLANs there for the engineering building. And then for the headquarters of the business building, you can see all the VLANs as well. On the distribution switches, I have set them all as the root bridges for those VLANs. So you can see here that the VLANs are set at the lowest priority. And on this distribution switch as well. You can see there that they are set to the lowest priority as well. Now, as well, the Wi-Fi VLANs are set to have the HQ distribution switch as their root bridge. Next, I configured the channel bonding between all of the inter-switch connections, as you can see here. All of the port channels are there, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for the engineering building. Port channel 7 is shared between both buildings. And here, port channel 1, 2, 3, and 7 as well. And now we can move on to inter-VLAN routing. As you can see, I have assigned an IP for each of the VLANs. If you look at this drop-down list, you can see all of the VLANs have an IP assigned, as well as the port channel 7 has an IP to allow connection between the two buildings. And on the engineering building, you have the VLANs 80, 90, and 100 with their IPs, and port channel 7 also has its own IP as well. Now we can look at OSPF. I haven't configured it on both of the distribution switches and the HQ router. After doing this, I was able to send pings between the two buildings as well as between the departments. So now we can just try pinging. So we do engineering to test. It's successful. That shows that we can ping between the VLANs, and then I'll show that we can ping between the two buildings. There we go, ping between the two buildings as well. There we go. And now to enable a connection from the buildings to the internet, we must enable OSPF from the HQ router to the ISP router. We use default routes for both routers so that information can be sent and received easily. As well, you must use the default information originate command on the HQ router so that there is a default route into the OSPF routing domain. Once this is done, you can send and receive information to and from the internet, and you can see the routing tables on the distribution switches have more routes added to them. So I'll just ping from the engineering building to the internet. Success, and we'll try from the business building. Also successful. Alright. Thank you for watching my video explanation of my topology.